guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. I'm also doing fine. So welcome back to ANIDEBEZI Beauty. So today we are going to do eyebrow, my updated eyebrow, and I'm going to show you how I usually do my eyebrow, because within the years I've changed how I usually do my eyebrows. I intend now to go more to I intend now to do more natural eyebrows, and that's just my preference, but you know, everybody has their own choices. So for those of you who have been wondering how I do my eyebrows, or been asking me what products I use for my eyebrows, so today I do my eyebrows, and I'm also going to show you the products that I use to do my eyebrows. So if you are new here, you're welcome. If you're my old subscriber, you're also welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, you're missing out. Just click that red button, subscribe, and don't miss to click also the bell so you won't miss any video from me. So every time I upload, you'll get a notification. If you click the bell, you get a notification that I have uploaded the video. So guys, thank you very much, and let's continue. So today I'm going to show you the products that I use to fill my fill my eyebrows, because I don't say draw, I say I fill my eyebrows. As you can see, I have thin eyebrows. If you see me looking down here, I'm looking at my mirror. As you can see, I have thin eyebrows, but I don't shave them all. I just keep them neat, and then I fill them in. So the products that I use to fill my eyebrows, I use this one. So I use this one, and this one is Eyebrow Fiber Gel from Hema. I live in the Netherlands, if you don't know. So in the Netherlands we have Hema. It's a shop which they also have their makeup line. So I use this one from Hema, and also I use eyebrow pencil, and it's also from Hema, and this is number 9. Number 9 is a brown eyebrow pencil in number 9. And then I use concealer, and today I'm going to use, you can use concealer of your choice, but I'm going to use this concealer, and it's from Makeup Revolution, the new one, the Conceal and Define. So I'm going to use that one. And I'm going to use my anchor brush, a very small anchor brush, and this is also from Hema. This is also from Hema. So let's continue, and let me show you how I do my eyebrows. So what I usually do start with my pencil, my brow pencil, and it's from Hema number 9, like I've said, and it has a spoolie, as you can see, and it's already sharpened. So we're going ahead. So first of all, I kind of comb my brows to put them in shape, you know, like just put them the way I want to fill them in. So that's it. So after that, I'm going to take the brow and give it a shape, so that when I fill it in with the fiber gel, I already have what kind of, I just follow my brow shape, my natural brow shape, and I just give it a shape like that, a very slight. I do it slightly, I don't press it, but I just do it slightly, as you can see. And then there, where I just want to fill in like that, and then I'll do this the other side too. The eyebrow pencil is just to give me a guideline. I just follow my natural brows. I don't, just like that. Don't worry, even if you mess up, we'll still clean it with the concealer, so it's not a big deal. So that's how I do that's it with my brow pencil. Just a little bit, I just saw here, I didn't yeah, until there. So what I do, I take my fiber gel, this one from Hema. Oh, it's showing, yeah, the fiber gel. No, let's do it like this. My fiber gel from Hema, and I'm going to use this to fill in, to comb my natural brows. And then when I comb, you just see I just take, because it has a spoolie and it has already a product, the brow gel fiber. So what I do, I just comb it, as you can see, and then it darkens my original hair. It's like it's thickened it, so you can see that I have hair. I have some hair on my brows. Actually, this is the best product ever I've used. I have a lot of eyebrow products, but this one, and I get a lot of compliments nowadays about my eyebrow. They're like, wow, you have beautiful eyebrows, because it's still, you can still see that I have my hair. I just fill them in, and that's how I like it. And the best part of this is, like, when you already when you set it nicely, it sets completely, and you don't have to, it doesn't move until you remove it. As you can see, guys, you see it looks very natural, very natural, very natural. This is the best product I've ever used. So as you can see, it thickens the eyebrows. You see this side, and when you see this side, it's like my natural eyebrows. I just it's just like having your natural brows. And then I do the other side. So that's it, guys. Oh, just let's just make here a little bit the hair, we can, so we can see. I can just take my spoolie, then if you have extra product, you just take your clean spoolie and just comb it. Then you the extra product that you don't need, you just blend it, kind of blend it, because I just did see, guys. So I'm going to take my brush, this one, and then I'm going to take my concealer, and mostly I use concealer almost my color. I think this is one shade my color, or almost my color. And I take just a little bit, because it has, I take a little bit of concealer just to clean it up. I don't need, like, just to clean it out of a little bit where I've messed up. And actually, ladies, if you have a lot of eyebrows, there's no need for you to shave them all and then you draw them. If you have a lot of brows, you can just buy brow gel. You know, you just comb them, you just trim them nicely, neatly, and then you use not brow gel, but the brow we have in NYX. We have this. Just a minute. NYX have this. It's usually colorless, but because I've used it a lot, it has brown color because of the product. But this is the Showtime. How do you can NYX Lash and Brow Clear Mascara. You can buy this if you can get it, and then you can use, if you have a lot of brow, you just shape your brow and then you use that one to set your brow. It looks very nice. You don't have to draw them, because everybody else is drawing their brows. Don't draw. Actually, don't use that word draw. Fill in your brows. Don't draw. What are you drawing? You already have brows on your face. What are you drawing then? So as you can see, because I've used my concealer, almost my color, like it's my color, as you can see, it's very easy to blend. So you don't have that white line, down line. That is so old-fashioned. You just take a little bit concealer. You don't have to have the whole concealer, because the main purpose of concealer on your brows is to just clean where you've messed, where you put the product you didn't want to, you know, like. But also you can use a concealer, brighter concealer under when you're going for that, you know, that bold look. You can use here on your underbrow here, you can use a bright concealer to highlight your brow bone. But otherwise you don't need it. If you can still use if blending is problem, if you have a problem of blending, you can still use to highlight your brow bone. You can still use eyeshadow, a highlighter or eyeshadow that is lighter, or yeah, something like that. So as you can see, because I'm using concealer, almost my color, it's very easy to blend. And also I don't use a lot. So use your hand. I just use my hand. And because the product, when it's dry, it doesn't move. The product that I've used, the eye whatever, it doesn't move. So as you can see, that is my eyebrow routine, and that's how I like my brows. So I can just take this and just a little bit to correct where maybe I went too far with the concealer. But all in all, the product remains, as you can see. When it's dry, you don't have anything, and it looks like, let me zoom you in, guys. I've zoomed you in, and this is how I do my brows. This is how I do my brows. This way I find they look more natural. They give me that natural look, you know. That is just my preference, but of course you have, maybe some people don't like it natural like that. So but me, I like it like that. That is my eyebrow. Like every day I do my eyebrows nowadays like that. Before I used to just draw it perfectly, like I take and then no, like I just draw it on my face. But now I just fill it in, and yeah, this is my brow. This is how I do my eyebrow, you know. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.